As today we talk about how can you get premium on your MoneyLion app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first. So you just go down, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, just go down here. You click here on MoneyLion. Wow, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. In there, can you select here? So if you want to add 1 month or 6 months or 1 year, and you click here on join now, then add your credit card, then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.